Hi everybody, today I would like to teach you about accounting for beginner, debit and credit rule. So it is so important for accountant that would like to study about accountant and DO, debit equal or abbreviation by DO and credit equal or abbreviation by CO. So debit represented by the left hand side. Yeah, I mean the debit and credit represented by right hand side. Okay, I mean the credit. So I will draw the three account to show you. Okay. Okay, here debit and here is credit. Okay, asset mean that asset increase at the at life hand side or increase by at debit side and expand also expand increase at the left hand side or increase at debit side and revenue liability and equity. So revenue increase at the right hand side or increase at the credit side and liability increase at the right hand side or at credit side, and the last one equity increase at the right hand side or credit side. So you must remember debit and credit rule. So if you remember, it is easy to understand about the accounting. So if asset increase at debit side, then yeah, increase at debit side. So if asset decrease, yes, must must be at credit side. Asset increase at debit side. If asset decrease, must be at credit side. So please subscribe our YouTube channel to follow about accounting for beginner. So thank you so much for watching